Welcome to Globig International Expansion Tips. Hi, I'm Anka Corbin. Globig helps companies go global faster, easier, more affordably, and with much less risk. Today's tips are all about factors to consider before you go global. And this is part 4 of our series. And what we're going to do today is assess the stability of rule of law. You're going to want to assess rule of law at both the national as well as the local level. And I have 11 considerations for you to take a look at. And the first one is the clarity of laws and their application. Are the laws clear or confusing? And then does it make sense how they apply them? Secondly, the certainty of laws and application. Are the laws set or are they constantly changing? Surprisingly, this happens a lot. Thirdly, predictability. Is there arbitrary or discriminatory behavior? Do laws apply fairly to everyone? Again, surprisingly, it doesn't happen that way. Fourth, are there laws protecting investor rights? Very important. Fifth, is there the existence of bilateral treaties with the country you're coming from and the country you're going into? These help significantly because, again, it's that consistency and that predictability that really matter. 6, how significant is corruption and bribery? Again, very common in different countries, and as long as you are aware of it and prepared to work within it, that sometimes works. But then if things change, you may or may not be in trouble, so pay attention to that. 7, is there freedom of expropriation? Or can the government take over your property or funds if they choose to, arbitrarily? Again, sadly, this does happen fairly frequently. And 8, is there respect for laws and contracts by the people you're going to do business with, as well as the authorities? Number 9, are the courts efficient and effective, or do they take a long time, and is it a really expensive, challenging process? Chances are you are going to need to use them at some point, whether it's a very small dispute or a significant dispute. Number 10, are the laws attractive for doing business and hiring? Are the laws stable or do they change regularly? And then the last tip, number 11, is how hard are those laws to comply? Are they realistic laws or do they just make it really, really difficult for you? To learn more about regulations for specific countries, please go to globig.co. There you're going to find our knowledge base with free resources, expert podcasts, videos, and where we walk you through each of these variables as well as many others. And don't forget, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.